Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber myself. I've been creating content on YouTube for a few years and have learned about how an algorithm works. In this video, I will share 4 insider insights from Todd, a YouTube employee who deeply understands the algorithm. These tips are based on his experience working with some of the biggest channels on YouTube, and they can help you grow your channel even if you're starting from scratch. Insight 1. Understand how the algorithm works. The first step to cracking the algorithm is to understand how it works. The algorithm is designed to show users videos they're likely interested in. It does this by looking at several factors, including the user's watch history, the titles and descriptions of the videos, and the keywords used in the videos. So, if you want your videos to be seen, you need to ensure they're relevant to the interests of your target audience. You must also optimize your titles and descriptions to reflect your video's content accurately and include relevant keywords. Insight 2. Choose a niche that isn't oversaturated. If you want your videos to stand out, choosing a niche that isn't already oversaturated is important. There are millions of videos on YouTube, so if you're trying to compete in a popular niche, it will be challenging to get noticed. Instead, find a niche you're passionate about that isn't already crowded with other channels. This will give you a better chance of standing out from the crowd and attracting viewers. Insight 3. Promote your videos on other platforms. Don't just rely on YouTube to drive traffic to your videos. Promote your videos on other platforms, such as social media, forums, and blogs. This will help you reach a wider audience and get your videos seen by more people. When promoting your videos on other platforms, use relevant keywords and links so that people can easily find your videos. You can also use social media to run contests and giveaways to generate excitement around your channel. Insight 4. Be patient and persistent. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't expect to become an overnight success. Just keep creating great content, promoting your videos, and being patient. Eventually, you will start to see results. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how to grow your YouTube channel, I encourage you to check out my other videos on the topic. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll be uploading new videos weekly, and I'd love for you to join me on my journey. Thanks again for watching.